Okay, here we are then, everyone. This is my progress check for how my craft room looks today. As you can see, miles better than when we started. Now, the important thing is this has been 5, 6-ish long weeks of general organising. I've decluttered, I've destashed, I've organised. Everything now has a home, pretty much. Definitely much better than when we started. Sorry if I'm making any of you dizzy right now, including myself. You notice this basket here, that's just my very last bits that I need to sort through later today. At least they're all corralled in a basket, huh? And I've got some empty baskets here for some storage. It's funny actually, with all the destashing and decluttering that I've done, I now have drawers and cupboards and boxes that are actually empty. This is the new unit that I bought, if you remember. And that's it. That is my space as we currently stand. Sorry, just spin you around. You notice here I've got my collage sheets hanging from my cupboard at the moment because I don't have hooks. I'm thinking there's this great big space here where I could have a pegboard. So that's what I'm probably going to do. If you remember, I had paper here. If you go back to that first video that I did where I said help, that will be how you can see really how different it does look. And it's a shame that so I'm just backing up. It's a shame really I couldn't show you how things looked before I started the whole thing. You know, my desk has changed places. I didn't have these here. My sewing machine was behind me, and all of these sorts of things I didn't get a chance to show you because I didn't think to film it. But, you know, this is my progress check. As I mentioned, I would like to replace this blind. I want something prettier. I'm going to do some new artwork, put some hooks up and such like. But yeah, this is where I get all my bits done. And I hope you've enjoyed the series. Thanks again ever so much for joining me for it. And you know, once I've completely finished in here, because I still need to do things like decorating, these walls are still how they looked when we first moved in, and we've been here I think 3 years now. So I definitely need to do something about that. So yeah, I think once I'm completely finished, I'll do another, you know, proper in-depth tour. I just wanted to give you a quick status update with, you know, the 5-6 weeks that we've done together of decluttering and organising and using up bits. This is what it's ended with, or this is where we've got to for now, I suppose. And it's much better. I definitely know that I work best with everything being in a home and everything being clear and tidy. It just, for me now, this feels like a clean slate, fresh slate, I suppose, for sorting, like, I don't know what to call it. It's like a clean slate for now, just putting my mark on this room more than what it currently is like. So, oh, and I just wanted to give you a sneak peek. This is what I was trying to show you yesterday with my my letter rack. So I've gone through and taken out the bits that shouldn't have been in there. So this is apart from the stamps, because I need them to hand. So, but yeah, that's ephemera to go in projects I'm currently working on. That's what that is. So yeah, that's it. That's that's the end of this series for now. As I say, I will be back soon with you know, a final craft room tour. And then I'll probably, once I do that, I will probably remind you all how I've got things as like a summary, I suppose. for now, I just wanted to give you a very quick status update. All right then. Well, as always, thanks so much for watching, and I'll speak to you soon. Bye bye for now.